morning and welcome to Harding's Wealth Managers on this Monday morning, the 27th of April. Hope everybody had a nice weekend and that you were able to enjoy it as much as possible considering the situation that we're going through right now with the lockdown, the stay-at-home orders, etc., etc. Seems that Pennsylvania may start to loosen their lockdown probably sometime beginning in May, early May, maybe by the first week of May. And if they do, I'm sure everybody will be quite pleased about that, but still keeping in mind social distancing, etc., etc., which is extremely important, and it's how I believe we're able to keep this under control as much as possible. You may be interested to know that of all cases that are out there in the world today, that about we've had 30% recovery rate, close to 900,000 recovered out of 3 million or so cases around the world. So that's a good thing. Recoveries are on the rise, and they've been on the rise quite steeply since Monday, 2 weeks ago, when the rate was 23%, or just over that, 23.1 I believe it was. So keep it going, let's keep moving forward, onwards and upwards. Keep calm and carry on, as they say in the UK. The markets over the past few weeks have had a couple of good up weeks. This past week we were down a little bit from the end of last week as far as the S&P is concerned, maybe down around about 20 or 30 points, I believe it was, something along those lines. But today we're going to be opening up. Looks to be an up day for the Dow and also the S&P. I think a bit of that has to do with Boeing, which is actually up today. The markets were really down for the week, really because of Boeing. Boeing was off around about 15 to 20 points for the week last week, which, considering it's one of the largest stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, there's no surprise that the Dow, and therefore also because Boeing is quite a large proponent of the S&P 500, that the markets were down. Boeing, though, as we all know, is a great company, and it's down because of the market overall, because of the economy overall, and also obviously to do with MAX 737 issues that it's had in the past 12 months or so. But it's still a great company, and in my personal opinion, it will recover, and you'll start to see that stock moving up going forward once everything gets sorted out as far as planes are concerned, and the MAX 737 is concerned. Once they've given that approval to get that bird back in the air, I do believe that you're going to see a move up in the stock going forward. Same thing with other industries out there. I mean, the cruise line industry, the hotel industry, gambling industry, etc., etc. You're going to start to see those recover as well once things start opening back up. They've all been hit dramatically in the past 5 to 6 weeks, but I think that once everything starts to open up again, you're going to see those companies moving forward and their stock prices moving up, which will be a good thing for those invested in them. So, as I said, I believe we're going to be opening up. The Dow is going to be up about 200 points this morning. The S&P is going to be up about 28 points this morning. So we should look towards the rest of the day to have a good day moving forward. That 285 level on the spider is a key level, as I mentioned in the past. Let's hope we can get to it and get above it this week. If we can get above it this week, then the next level is going to be the 200-day moving average, which is around about that 297 level. That's where we're looking at. Let's get out of this range that we're in right now, and let's get moving forward. That's what we really want to see. Anyway, I hope all's well with you all, and I will speak to you on Wednesday. Take care.